Today I will be reviewing UV resin brands which are available in India so that you can make stunning products like jewelry at your home. Just keeping them aside for a minute. Just in case you are interested to know about the resin brands which are recommended by me, I have already made a video on that topic. So I will just mention the link somewhere on the top side and in the description. Please do check out in case you have missed on it. Now, coming back to UV resin, UV resin is something which is recommended if you are planning to make jewelry at your home, as it gets cured in just 5 to 10 minutes. Every resin artist can relate to the process of resin getting cured and waiting on an average of 6 to 12 hours to pour the next layer, depending on which resin brand you are using. When it comes to jewelry, you can't really wait so long to pour the next layer. That's when UV resin comes as a savior. Now, reviewing UV resin brands which are available in India, to be honest, these are the only brands which I have found out. Why am I telling this thing? Because I am someone who is interested to create new designs in earrings, and I have already created more than 200 earrings. And when it comes to the tutorials, I literally have watched a lot of UV resin tutorials on YouTube. And whenever I'm seeing someone who is teaching UV resin earrings or UV resin, how to make UV resin things, they are mostly from outside India and they have a lot of classifications in UV resin. I don't know which are these things. They have UV resin classic, UV resin hard, soft. I wanted to review a lot of UV resins, but unfortunately, we don't have that much resins. So I'm gonna stick to the UV resin brands which are available in India. UV resin which are available in India are UV resin hard and soft. UV resin hard is something that cannot be bended. Reviewing both the UV resin hard at once. One is from the brand of Jags resin, as you can see in the camera, and second one is from the brand name is not written, so we will call it as UV resin only. Both of them work exactly the same. There is no difference. I have worked multiple times with both of the brands as such, but I did not found out any difference in terms of quality. I have made these two earring pairs. One is with the Jags resin and this one is with UV resin. So you can see both the earrings are of good quality, they are sturdy, they are really nice. Finishing is also good. So there is no difference as per the quality. Just to show you, this earring is being made by this Jags UV resin product. Okay. And this UV resin earrings are made with this UV resin. So what is the exact difference with these two UV resin? Uh, the only difference which I found out was the price point. Jack's UV resin is costed at 2,200. Even after discount, I have got it for 1,980 rupees. And UV resin is costed at 1,400. After discount, I got it for somewhat like 1,200 rupees only. In case you are wondering why did I bought Jags UV resin, as per the price point, any sensible person will go for this UV resin, right? Let's keep these bottles aside for a minute. See, in India, very few people are making UV resin products. So whenever we are buying UV resin products, simply when this one is available, this one won't be available, and vice versa. So whichever is available in the local market, I'm gonna go with that one. That is why I bought this Jags UV resin. And would the things work same? It and I can't rely on online buying because sometimes you get the product spilled out and you have to wait for 4 5 days, and I'm not the fan of online purchasing at all. So that is why I usually go for whichever product is available in the market. That's it. That's the only reason. Now let's review Oitra brand. Oitra is the only brand which I found out is selling UV resin soft. Now what is UV resin soft? Wait, I will show you. As you can see, you can just bend it. You can just play with it. That is why it is called UV resin soft. It's so fun to play with it. Okay. The quality of Oitra resin is also good. Oitra resin also sells hard one, but I have never bought it because, again, Oitra is not available in local market. It's only available online. Whichever local market I am buying products from, they do not sell Oitra products. So that is the only reason. Now let's talk about the price point of the Oitra. Now Oitra is costed at 1,200, and after discount I must have received it for 800 to 900 rupees maybe. I'm not so sure exactly how much I got it for, but this one is the most costliest because this one is of 60 grams for 1,200. So this one is the most expensive, and I will only make it in case I get any kind of custom order. Otherwise, I might not repurchase this one because just because I wanted to try something new, so I purchased this one. Otherwise, I might not purchase it again. That's it for this video. This was my review for UV resin brands which are available in India. I hope that you have decided which UV resin brands you wanna buy in case you are planning to make jewelry at your home. I will be creating more videos like this. For now, bye bye.